Hey peeps, I'm coming today reviewing the Mono's hair care line. I got 4 of the products as I let you guys know in the previous uploaded video, and so today I'm actually going through the process. The first step is the Scalp and Curl Clarifier, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to add this product to my hair, massage it in. It says you're supposed to put it on your hair and your scalp, and you're supposed to massage it in and add water for it to lather, almost like a shampoo before the shampoo, and then you're supposed to rinse it out and then go in with your shampoo. I heard this was good for like if you have a lot of buildup, and I think that's specifically why they want you to do it on curly hair, but it's been like a week or so. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair and add some water, and when I come back, my hair in curls, as you know. So I will see you all in just a minute. Okay, so I'm back. I've washed my hair after I did the primer from the Mono's hairline, and I shampoo with the Aveda Invanti shampoo, the one in the purple bottle. So the next step is for me to go in with the deep conditioner, curl restoring treatment, and so I'm going to start putting that on through my curls and detangling. So this is going to be a fun process. It is really thick. It's pretty thick. This is just how I do my hair when I separate my curls. This is how I separate it. So I'll go from front to back and do my deep condition with the Mono's hair curl line, and I will be back when I'm ready to. This is going to be nice because it's just gliding through my hair, and it's almost like I don't even need a comb or the wet brush or anything. Normally I use like a wet brush on my hair or this comb here, but gliding through. Okay, let me finish this up, and I will come back to you all when I'm all done and sit under the hair dryer or steamer. I think it said for like 7 to 10 minutes with this on. Then you're gonna rinse and you'll go on with your style. So I'll see you guys in just a moment. Hey, so I came back to you guys with the hair fully washed, conditioned, all that good stuff. I've started everything in sections. And there's 2 sections in the back, one in the very back and one at the top, and 2 in the front. So the next step that we're going to go to is we're going to use the Mono's hair curl primer. Okay, this is the curl primer, and I think all you have to do is just spray it onto your hair. And I wanted to just see how that works out. I have thicker hair in the back, as you can probably see. So I want to make sure I get it pretty saturated, because usually when I'll do like, so I'm going to spray this on generously. I use the spray leave. It's like a leave-in, if you can think of something to compare it to, like your regular leave-in conditioner. And then the last step I'm going to do is going to be the curl setting gel. You guys can see that. And that's the one that is like a liquid as well. So I've got 2 that are kind of like a liquid. So I'm going to try that on the very back. And one thing I will say about these products, they smell so good. It's like a Tunisian smell. It's like really yummy. I forgot to get my brush that I use to like clump my curls, but I mean seriously guys, like it's nice. I mean, I love it. I love the way the products like make your hair. I mean, I love it. I think it's great. Like, I'm just pretty much gliding my brush straight through my hair. That almost rarely never happens, really. I mean, I'm usually like, let me go get one of the tea. I'm gonna twist here in the very back, because I always do that when I get closer to the edge. And then I'm gonna go in and braid the rest of the hair, They said not to use a whole lot of the gel, the setting gel, because you don't need a lot or you will have a cast. So if you think you don't have enough, you probably got enough of the gel, and that's my twist in the back. And I'm just going to continue working my way to the top, and I will come back with the finished result. See you soon. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have taken down the front part of my hair with the rollers, and it was a twist out, and I have a couple pink rollers still left in. I'm going to finish up in the back, and I will come back for the final look with my style, and you guys let me know what you think. Alright, see you in a few. So this is the final look. I kind of just pulled my curls out a little bit, separated them, got a little twist up thing going on over here, and yeah, I really think I like the line. I mean, for one thing, I really enjoy like the fact that my curls are like movable. Normally, when I do a twist out or a braid out, my curls are not quite this flexible, so that's one thing I will say about the line. It makes your hair really soft and manageable. One thing I was kind of in question about with one of the products was the gel. I didn't know if there was like, I saw something kind of white left behind on my hand. It was like little bits of it, and I didn't know if that was because I was kind of mixing it with the curl primer. But I also want to try the rest of the line and do another video to show you guys how that works, so the entire line works, because I heard that one of the other YouTubers was saying that the products work really well in conjunction with one another. So I want to get the entire line and see how it all comes together. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, this tutorial, this review of the Mo Nose Hair Care line. This is pretty much probably going to be a part 1 to it, because again, this is only half of the collection, and so I will definitely try to do another video with the entire collection and continue to update you guys on how this line is working for my curls. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.